This is truly a genius invention. A young man from a rural area used a mirror and a large iron pot from his home to create a solar power generation device. The electricity produced not only powers household appliances, but also drives a water pump. First, he found a rectangular mirror and marked it longitudinally using the width of a ruler. He made similar markings on the vertical side to create several equally sized square grids. Each square was then numbered to facilitate the later sticking process. Next, he carefully cut along the marked lines to create long strips of mirror. He then prepared a large iron pot and applied glass glue to the back of each mirror piece. Starting from the center of the pot, he began sticking the mirror pieces, arranging them from the inside out until the entire pot was covered. When placed alone outdoors in sunlight, the heat generated by the reflected light from this mirror-covered pot was intense enough to ignite an A4 sheet of paper. Back to the main point, the young man found an old, discarded television. He removed the outer casing and unused wiring, then took the screen outside. Using a brick, he broke the back cover of the screen to retrieve the photonic generator inside, a component known for its strong light concentration and discharge properties, which is the core part of this device. He also prepared a colored incandescent bulb, carefully dismantling the bulb's base to make it a suitable size to fit the photonic generator inside. To make it easier to place, he also made a stand shaped like the iron pot. With that, the homemade solar power generation device was fully assembled. Finally, he took the device outdoors to test its actual performance. Before use, he connected a power strip to the two wires on the incandescent bulb. When the iron pot was placed on the stand, both the fan and the water pump started running immediately. Removing the pot caused them to stop instantly, proving that the device could indeed generate electricity. What do you think of this homemade solar power generation device?